Guys, welcome back to Thailand Farming, and today we'll be chopping with our Claas 820 chopper. So what do you say? Let's get to it. We're unloading. I'm unloading the first load of the day. It's Monday. Started right after lunch. Raked 2 fields this morning with both rakes. So getting her done. Hope you guys are enjoying the video. Let's get to it. Now we're chopping. I'm empty. He's about half full. Let's go. Field. This is like a valley. It's almost straight up on both sides in spots. Little hilly. Okay, so yeah, this is pretty steep hill. They're down in the valley, in the bottom. So this is almost kind of right in front of our house. It's in between the house and the barns. So it's kind of a hill to get up to the barn. So they're turning right now. Usually Dad does everything in this field, but I mean, since we're chopping alongside, and it's been hay for like the last, what, I think 10 years, 12? I'd say about 10 years, and it just got out of hay. Eventually we'll plant it back to hay, but here we go. Let's get some good shots here of chopping. Okay guys, the FedEx truck just showed up. I believe that's our antennas for our CBs, so this ought to be exciting. My turn. He's just gonna put the wagon behind the chopper and do the super sketchy hill. Let's get to it. Down we go. Woo! While I got time, I'm gonna go blow my radiator vents out, or whatever you want to call them. Heading to the next field. Up the road half mile. 2 strips. Let's get to it. We have arrived at our destination. Let's get to it. Holy smoly. Look at that smoke. Cool. Let's go unload. Unload number 4 of the day. Let's get to it. Let's get to it. Can just barely make a round around the outside of the field. I'm already full. This ought to be good. Let's get to it. Second crop off this field this year. Pretty good. Made a video of chopping in the same field before we took the roofs off. I think it's got like 500 some views or something. So go check that video out if you haven't already. Pretty good. Just like this one. Let's get to it. Third to last load of the day. I think the bag will be full. Let's get to it. Okay, we got the CBs hooked up. Dad's getting his hooked up in the chopper. Let's get to it. Okay guys, first load of the day here. Let's get to it. Chop it. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.